Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have some midweek freebies at Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest, and some very fancy cheap deodorant over at Walgreens if you can swing it. So let's get right into it. A short video today. The first we're going to be doing it curbside, and it is to track down 2 of these degree clinical deodorants. The cheapest way to do this is curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. That's lovingly known as a curbside pickup. I will also let you guys know you're going to have to ask the cashier to process this through a regular register so you get a physical receipt for the Fetch Rewards app. Tossing 2 of these friends into a basket, that's $22.98. We currently have an 8 off of 2 digital coupon. Unfortunately, if you look up these items manually in the app, that 8 off of 2 is no longer showing up, but if you add it to a cart, it's showing that it's coming off, which is really, really odd. Now, you can use the code WAG10 to save an additional $1.50, so that's why doing it curbside, you're saving just a smidge more money. And then you have your 8 off of 2 as well. If you don't care about that $1.50 off, just do the deal in store so you can get your receipt without having to do negotiations with your cashier. $22.98, subtracting that $1.50 and $8, $14.77, not factoring in the tax. Use up to $10 of Walgreens cash if you wish, and then you're going to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards rebate app. There is $5,000 back for each deodorant, making this like, I believe, $1.74 each after fetch. And you might have a larger progressive one too, which is really great. And if you have not signed up for Fetch, sign up today. Link in the description. When you use my referral code and submit Taco Bell you bought in the last week, you're getting an extra $2 bonus. Very easy app to use, and all these deals are rinse and repeat with Fetch Rewards. This next deal is courtesy of Rolling Coupon Moms, probably one of the best Meijer shoppers in all of the Midwest. She's over on Instagram. I will leave her Instagram account in the notes if you want to follow her. She's a very nice lady and just has the absolute best Meijer deals. We were speaking earlier in the week. We didn't think there would be any deals, but as this week's marching on, it's probably one of the best weeks for deals at Meijer. It's just like there's a lot. The first is you're going to go down that skincare aisle, and these single Vaseline lip therapies that are $1.59. We have a $2 coupon that's reducing this item down to free. You're just going to have to pay the tax, 1 per account, but it's a free little lip balm, which we don't always see. Only this flavor as well. There's a cocoa bomb one, not attaching. But with this coupon, there's also a lot of clearance lotions and stuff, and it is attaching to those as well. So if you wanted to get like a cheaper little lotion or whatever, you could do that as well, like probably 50 cents after the digital coupon. The best thing to do is to open up your shop and scan in store and check this out. It's just completely free if you see $1.59 and then on top after the coupon 0.00, so you're just paying tax at the register. There's a whole bunch of General Mills cereal that's $1.99 a box, including the Honey Nut and the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Currently, we have, I believe it's 75 cents back for the Honey Nut and 50 cents back for the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And we also have digital coupons that are applying, including this 5 off 15 and $1 off 2. Unfortunately, I no longer have that one to show you guys, but yep. And then some stores you might actually find Peely coupons, which are the coupons affixed to the box. At Meijer, you can use 2 like coupons per transaction, per household, per day, per lifetime. So I was able to get an additional $2 off. Always a year mile may vary if you might have these or not. They scan for me at the register, which is really goofy. And then just to show you guys, use your shop and scan. And I will let you know, I went around noon today and the shop and scan wasn't showing all of the coupons coming off, but at the register, it in fact did. So after everything comes off, your $1 off 2 and the 5 off 15, you should pay $9.92. Get back $5.25 back from the IBOTTA app for the 8 boxes of cereal, and then about $10 in points back from Fetch, making this like a $4 or $5 money maker. And then just to show you, here are the IBOTTA rebates: 75 cents back for each Cheerios, and then 50 cents back for the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. If you want to sign up for IBOTTA, check the link in the description. Sign up today. And then Fetch, this is just part of it. It's a rag tag. So if you have this, buy 3, get 3,500, 1,000 back for buying 15, and then the additional 75 cents per box of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. That's why we're getting 5 and 3, but what a deal. Absolutely sensational. Final deal that we're looking at is with these Sheba bisque. It's like a little gravy with some cat food. 4 of them will be exactly $5, and over on Fetch, when you buy them in that increment, you're getting back basically $6.60, making this free plus a $1.60 moneymaker. No coupons or anything needed. Take a look at this. So if you might have the same rebates as I, look through your Fetch app, and if they're starting to look similar, get out to Meijer and do these deals, because there's nothing better than free cat food. Like, it's absolutely fantastic. And I think I spent, after coupons and all the magic at Meijer, I spent like $23 on my cart. Got $5.25 back from IBOTTA and $30 back from Fetch. Go and do these deals. Bye, guys.